There we go. Okay, here we go. Let's get this ball in center court. Woo! MJ scoops that bad boy up, runs over there, gets his shot. Now it's up to Shaq. Come on, Shaq. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Come on, Shaq, let's go. Now, we have a little warm up there. Now we want some defense. Shaq, you're moving a little too slow there, bud. Get going. MJ, you have the speed. Go, go, go. Now, MJ, if you concentrate on stealing the ball instead of eating the baskets, you might win this game. Get on down there. Down that ball. Come on, MJ. What are you doing? Let's go. I don't know. We're slowing it down. There's absolutely no defense whatsoever. Uh-oh. What are you doing?
Just made one for the other team.
And Jack now has a double. MJ, you messed up big time. You're losing. That speed doesn't matter at all. If you have speed, you're losing.